View Builder in Swift UI. Let's talk about View Builder in Swift UI. So first of all, we are going to discuss about View Builder in Swift UI. A custom parameter attribute that construct a custom parameter attribute that construct view from closer and construct view from closer. Construct view from closer. Allowing those closer to provide multiple child view. To closer provide multiple child view. And that enables us to combine and compose multiple view within containers such as HStack and VStack, and we can create a custom view. So first of all, we are going to create a Swift UI view builder example, which have a Swift UI name, Swift UI example, Swift UI view name. We're going to Swift UI view builder example. So first of all, we can create a custom structure, and we can create a custom structure, and we're going to create on the custom structure on view builder. So we're going to create on this structure, and which have a name is create custom. We're going to create on the create custom, and which have a this layout design and date set on this name. This is a create custom layout view. This is not apply on this. This is create custom layout, and which is type of, and which have parameter. We can access on this create structure is content, but its largest is content, which is type of view. Okay, is content, and which is type of view. And we're going to use the Swift, and which is type of confirm on this view protocol. Okay, and we're going to create on this instance on this design. Let design, which is type of, suppose which is type of our content. This is a content, our content. We can this is our content. Okay, and we're going to create on this structure initializers, initializers. We can access on this initializers, so we can pass on this @view builder, and command shift K. We're gonna pass on this view. Check on this property. It does not confirm view. Well, sorry, no, not okay. We're gonna apply on this body. Then we're gonna use apply on this body. Confirm on this. So var, we can access on this properties and not initializers, but use of initializers bodies and not use of structure initializers. So we can access on this body. So delete. We're gonna access on this var, which have initializers, var body. We can access on this first is initializers, and we can access on this var body, which is type of sum view. Okay, we're gonna create on this body sum view. We're gonna access on this body of sum view, which is the sum view, and after this is design. Our creative design, we can apply on the dots. So this is the first property. Apply on this padding. We're gonna apply on this padding, and this is the initializer. This is a view builder. For initializers, we can use of initializer and view builder. It's a view builder. So view builder, and we can pass on this completion handler. Completion handler is a closer. Pass on this our closer completion handler, which is type of no parameter, and this is a return content. This is a content. Return is content. Okay, and return is content. So we're gonna create on this statement. So self dot, we can access on this property self dot, we can assign this is design is equal to completion handler. So this is a completion handler is a closer, we can pass on the type of completion handler closer. We can assign this completion handler closer. This is our let property assigned on this completion handler. Okay. So var body assembly, suppose we can apply on this padding, and secondly we can apply on this background color dot background color, which have on this background color. So this is the color dot, we can assign this accessibility on this color dot, suppose which have a gray color. Okay, and we can access on this first second is foreground color and dot, we can access on this dot red color, we can access on the dot red color, and we're gonna apply on this is a foreground color. And so next apply on this that such as corner radius, this is a corner radius is 12.0, suppose this is apply on this 12.0 corner radius. And thirdly we can apply on this, suppose this is a transition, we can apply on the transition dot identify, we can apply on this is a dot move edge, and we can apply on this dot edge में dot top, we can access the dot top, we can access it. Transition, what is transition? Means process of change from one state into another state, okay. And we're gonna create on this, so animation dot apply on this animation, so we're gonna apply on this dot animation dot linear, we can access duration, so this is 2 seconds, we can apply this 2 second linear animation. And we're gonna apply on this line spacing, suppose this is the dot line spacing, and this line spacing is 12.0. Okay, we're gonna apply on this view. So this is a create a custom view layout, we're gonna create on this view stack. Okay, and we're gonna create on this our create custom layout. Okay, and this is which have a initializer pass as completion handler, we can pass on initializers, and we can set as completion handler, and which is type of view. So we're gonna create on, suppose this is we're gonna create on this text, and we're gonna use of text. So this is a view builder example in SwiftUI. This is the view builder example in SwiftUI. How to use super views in view builder example in SwiftUI. So this is the one text. So what is view builder definition? A custom parameter attribute that contribute from we can apply on this padding, this largest padding, we can apply on this is a SwiftUI, and we're gonna apply on this is a, so dot, we're gonna apply on this blue color, which have on this blue color, not apply on this gray color, and we're gonna apply on this text properties. So this is a font, this is there, we can apply on this headline, and we're gonna apply on this weight, this is the, suppose we get medium weight, we're gonna apply on this medium weight, and we're gonna apply on this color, this is a green color. Okay, so we can builder in Swift, we can remove this example, this is small text view builder, this is the view builder in Swift, we can apply on this is made, so color is green, not apply on this red, this is the red color, on this red color, and this not apply on the headline, this is the title. Our title is the view builder transition mode, we can apply not apply on this title 2, we can apply on this title 2, we can apply on this title 3, and we can apply on this title 6. This is a view, and we can apply on this white color. Okay, the white color, this is the view, this is the view builder in SwiftUI. So a custom parameter attribute that construct view from closer, allowing those closer to provide multiple child view, that enable us to combine and compose multiple view within constraint on the cell. So we can use of multiple view, suppose we can use of another text. Okay, another text we can apply on the, so this is a Swift tutorial. Okay, we can apply this is Swift tutorial, we can access on this constant, we could suppose this is the example, we can check on this white color, we can write out custom color channel the device, remove on this colors, suppose we're going to apply on this font and title, and we can set on this command X, and we can apply on this our custom create this font, we can apply on this dot font dot. We're gonna apply on this. Suppose this is the, we're gonna add line title. This is title 3, and we're gonna apply on this. This is the font is title 3, and we're gonna apply on this property. Another property. Suppose this is the another properties font weight. Font, we can apply so the font we can access on level font we can apply on this font. This is a white color. We can multiple child view. This is a view builder. Use of view builder is multiple. View builder is a plus and combine and composing multiple child view that enable us to combine and compose multiple view within the contents in the just take and we take. Suppose we can use text and we're gonna create on this button. So we're gonna create on this button which have created on this button, and we're gonna create on a type this action. We're gonna apply on this label. This is a view builder. View 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 builder. You can assign this view builder. Okay, this is the view builder button. We can use of animation. Run on this purpose. Suppose this is run on this project and properties. This is the view builders, and we're gonna apply on this actions in this button. This actions which child this is in this simple definition in this view builder. A custom view parameter attribute that construct view from closer, allowing those closer providing multiple child view. Provided multiple child view. Suppose this is a remove on this view builder. Remove on this our structure. Remove this view builder. So we can check on this error. This is a custom confirm view structure class and confirm protocols. We can assign the class and confirm protocol. We can use of combine and composing view builder. Command X Z. We can use a view builder. View builder is a plus composing and component use of multiple views and child. Suppose this is a view builder in Swift UI. This use of animation in this Swift UI. Use of animations styles. So we can common design on this. Create a custom layout is common design in this by using view builder design. Support we can access on this image, and we can access this is the image property. We can access on this image property. Suppose which have a image. We can access on this images, and we can access on this image. So this is a parrot image. We can assign on this parrot. Second. Okay. This is the image. We can apply on this dot resizable dot frame. We can assign this frame height and width. We can apply on this height and width. This is the remove on this foreground colors. We can access it to not apply on this image. This is the remove on this foreground color and remove on this foreground color. We can access which is not apply on this command Z, not apply on this foreground color. This white color. This is the background color is blue. And not apply on this background color is command Z. We can access the background color is blue. So image is not apply on this in this property image, not apply in this property image, in this not apply in this property. We can access but it's not image in this. Suppose this is the Swift image. Okay, parrot second not apply on this image, this parrot second. Okay, we can access on this images. This is the multiple child views in this. Suppose this is the 200, this 300 image. We can frame on the 300, access on the 300. Suppose we can access the 200. It's 200 images can access on by using animation in this use of linear animation by using view builder. So it's a custom layout, and you can use this create a common using on this view builder use of common plus and multiple views create on customs. So thank you for watching this show. We can use of enjoy multiple views by using view builders. Multiple child views by using view builders.